Okay, hi everybody. So we're back here at the wheelhouse, and I thought it would be nice if I could show you just a few things about using removable resist. Now you've all used wax resist and done the bottoms or where lids meet. I've got glaze on here, but before I put the glaze on, I added some little pieces of tape and some stickers. And so now I'm going to wax, and then I'm going to peel those stickers out. So I've got the wax here, and luckily it's drying so that I can see where the stickers are some. Because I was beginning to wonder if I was going to be able to see it. It's actually drying better so I can see them. There's a series of stickers along this edge. So I can't totally see them, so I'm just going to paint wax. But then I've got to let the wax dry, which you all know can take an interminably long period of time. So I'm using the stickers and the tape as a removable resist, then applying wax over the top, which is of course a non-removable resist. I'm going to peel the tape out. I'm going to use a needle tool to just kind of hook the tape and lift it. There's one of the stickers. And that will peel. And of course the glaze falls off of it when you peel it. The hairs from the brushes. So I think you can see how I've removed that, and I've got some wax around it. Remember that perfection is an illusion, and we're not trying to make them perfectly decorated. We're just trying to find a way to do something a little different and a little interesting. And I think I'm finding here that paper stickers maybe aren't the best. They're starting to dissolve. This jar actually belongs to Mary Ann. She's standing off on the side here, a little worried that I'm going to mess it up. One piece of tape. Okay, I think there's stickers here. So we got to let this dry for a minute. Okay, so the wax is dry. I've peeled out all the stickers. I've got my blue glaze set up, which I was going to put in. I don't think I'm going to use that big brush kit. I changed my mind. I'm going to use the smaller brush. So I've got wax around the rectangles, and I'm going to now put the blue in the rectangles, and the wax helps me so I don't have to paint it so carefully. A lot of water in the brush. So the wax is acting as the resist now to keep the blue from going on over the green. Does that make sense? I would show you what I'm doing, but I have to look at it. So you see how I'm applying the blue in? I'm not going to put it in the lines where I pulled the tape off. I'm only putting the blue where the rectangles were. And this is just the first coat. So just like doing the other stuff, I've got to put 3 coats on in here, or the blue won't come out blue. So again, okay, I'm going to go and add another coat in here. I can kind of flood this and just let it fill, so I might be able to get away with not having to do 2 more coats and just kind of, if I can get the glaze to come out of the brush. This is where a better brush pays off. Okay, so I've got multiple coats now on the rectangles. We've got 3 coats on all the green. I've pulled the tape. What's the wax going to do when it fires? It's just going to burn away. So I don't need to worry about it. At first I thought maybe I would do some more down the sides of the pot, but then I started thinking about it. You know what? That's fine. Let the lid be the thing that's decorated. So I'm going to take this and we'll fire it, and in a couple weeks we'll show you some pictures posted along with another video of how it comes out. Remember that this is learning something different. Most of you haven't done this kind of stuff. If you need some wax, let us know. Bring a jar, we'll get you a little bit of wax. It goes a long ways. You don't need a whole lot. You just need a little bit. Different colors are fun to play with. Bare clay showing through around the glaze is nice. This is dark brown clay, so this will be rich, dark brown next to the green of the Isuzu and the blue of the flambe. So we'll see how it comes out, all right? We'll see you in a couple weeks.